Nagfa-fantasy lang ako ngayon sa Sapa. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning mga tao. I feel like it's 8 a.m. there. Right? 8? No, 10. Ano na ate, human na ako week. Right? I'm also waiting cause like parang I should ditch the guy na parang bet mag-produce ng event cause like I just kami siya. So we're gonna move to another production cause yeah, ayusin na lang lahat. Okay, Miss Barbara? Bitch. Yes, 10 a.m. dyan. Tamach. Ang ganda ng flower na to though. And it smells good too. I feel like nandito yung light. God, my hair needs to be toned. Ang OA ng bango ng flower, carry lang. Thank you. This reminds me of when I was in Siargao. Cause ito lag ko iniinom sa Siargao. Yung coconut. What the hell? Yung coconut coffee. Every fucking day. So, every day ko din siya kinakain and iniinom dito sa Vietnam. Parang ang linis dito, guys. What the hell? Pilipinas catch up. But everyone is like clean and shit. Yes. Ano daw? Hello love, meron na tayong house and lot. Yung diamond ring na ko ingatan. Asan yung house and lot? Dapat nakapangalan sa akin ha. And the rock needs to be, and the diamond ring needs to have like a big rock. It's super tacky. Na malaki. So I can sell it. When we wake up. Char. Good morning, loves. It's 9 here in Vietnam. 1 hour delayed. But we're gonna go. Hi, my love. Yes! No, wait lang. Wait lang, maging maladi ako for 5 minutes. Oh my god, there are boys. Wait. Shit, sa other restaurant sila pumunta. I hate that for me. Andito lang ako para mag-sightsee. Para di ako mabad trip. Ayoko makakita ng pangit today. And call ko danay. Go! Unwind siya, oh. Parang last time ba? Bitch, oh my god, anong oras na? I need to be back sa hotel by 10 cause ipipick up ako ng van or something, I don't know. I'm waiting for my friend. Maybe they're having smacks or something, I don't know. Gusto mo na si Davio? What's your favorite food, love? In general or dito sa Vietnam? Ang hirap naman i-shout out yan. Irish Shikak whatever. Shout out sa'yo. What are you listening? Wala. This is an accessory lang. Fantasy lang to siya. Sobrang yellow ng buko daw. Tangina ng shampoo nila dito. Natanggal lahat ng chemical. Uuwi ba ako? O hindi. Break time namin ngayon for 4 hours. And my campus tour kami 2 p.m. What are you gonna do at home though? Go gala or something. I don't know. Gustinan ko sa'yo yung kay Precious. Ow! Yes? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Nasa sa kabilang restaurant yung ano. Yung mga pogage. Kakainis. What's your favorite desserts? Dessert. Oh my God. Nagdi-dessert ba? Fruits. Mas ma-fruits ako. Or dessert na may fruits. Yeah. Basta fresh. Hindi yung mga jam-jam keme. I like the flower. Is that real? Yes, my love. Sobrang fresh dito ng mga keme sa Vietnam. Sige, uwi ko na to. Keme. Diba? Sobrang gorgeous. Sobrang fresh. Pero hindi else. But I think it's like new or something. Gorgeous. I don't know. Parang mas pasabog to kasi parang freshness ko siya. This is like so bloomed right now. It smells so good. Parang akong tanga dito na nag-uusap sa sarili ko. Kaya lang. Oh. Yes. Fantasy. Merong cute na guy sa ano. Sa hostel. Lagi niya akong pinakausap. Ano siya, from Netherlands. What do you call people from Netherlands? British, charot, I don't know. Bilisan ko na daw to kasi yung bus ko, wait lang. Ready lumafang. Oo, ng Eka Lounge. Cherise. Alam mo perfume na ganyan. It's giving flower gleam and glow. Let your power shine. Gusto niyo ba makita yung view para ranasin yung fantasy ko dito? Divine. Yup. Yup. Buti na lang hindi siya super hot right now. It's okay. Thank you.
For your girlfriend.
Ay.
Different. For your girlfriend.
For my girlfriend?
Yes.
Guys, binibenta niya ako for my girlfriend daw. Siya designer. It's okay. Thank you. She's selling me bracelets. My friend has this one. She's selling me bracelets. Are you silver?
Yeah, this amount silver.
Silver. Ang dami dito silver sa Vietnam. I bought this thing. But I already bought stuff. Parang hand keme nila. I don't know. I really wanted the earrings though. I'm not gonna lie.
She like it.
She's selling me bracelets. Atake siya. Cute lang.
She like the flower.
Oh, my friend has this one. She bought this yesterday. It's like silver that they sell. was cool to me kasi meron sila mga golds eat nila. That's so cunty. Grills.
What does she like?
She's trying to sell me bracelets for my girlfriend. She doesn't know I'm probably a faggot. How much is this one?
Big flower or small flower?
Smaller one.
Small 350.
Yeah, you're 50. Show me this one. We already bought this yesterday. From the village.
Then from my village,
Yeah.
we are living outside.
It's okay. Thank you.
One or two?
It's okay. Thank you.
How much?
What?
How much?
It's
Morning
okay.
early, I tell people.
It's okay. We already bought yesterday.
So I tell you or you tell me.
Aba.
Yeah, you tell me how much.
It's okay. Thank you. We already bought yesterday. Thank you.
So how much?
We bought yesterday.
How much?
How much was this? 100. And the other one is 100 as well.
Maybe this one 100.
Which one? It's okay. Thank you so much. How much is this?
300, okay. 300
You're selling me bracelets. Wait lang ha. Magne-negotiate ang babae.
My bigger one.
It's okay.
You tell she like this one, like this one.
Yeah.
That she like.
She ladies are good.
Is that bracelet?
Yeah, a small one. It's much better. You see?
And how much?
What is that? They're selling me earrings. Guys. Atake sila.
This one, go, go.
You said this one so around. My local people so
Beautiful
around.
one.
Okay. Thank you. We already bought bracelets. 3 bracelets yesterday.
You said it?
Thank you. This one.
Yes, she like that big one. That's the say my local people like that big.
She's really young. These are for the younger one.
Bracelets. Atake sila. Diba? This is really cute to me though. Because I'm really buying me this.
Double mile.
The locals wear this. It's giving the bigger the hoop. Thank you.
For you, girlfriend, beautiful.
This is cute. Binibenta nila ang babae, kaya lang. I'm too nice to deny. And I'm too nice to like say no, you know. We bought one yesterday, like this one.
Okay, yeah.
You see that? This what you found?
Thank you.
How much? I tell you or you tell me.
We bought one yesterday, like this one.
How much?
Yesterday, we bought.
My different.
But it's okay, thank you.
Okay, 150 morning early. Because morning I saw chichi. Early morning.
Binibenta nila ang babae, kaya lang. It's okay.
Open, open, open.
This is pretty good.
That's a cute beauty. I will use them again. That's enough, mom.
Thank you.
You open it.
It's
And
okay.
you how much?
We bought yesterday.
You can use that one. My local people make it.
Since you
That's it for me.
Okay, thank you. We bought one yesterday. The bigger one.
What do you want?
Yeah, we bought yesterday. In the village.
You
And this one.
Okay, good.
It's okay, thank you. We got this yesterday.
Okay, since you need to get
It's okay, thank you. It's so cute.
Okay, what?
It's really cute, guys, honestly.
Some more?
It's okay, thank
Okay,
you.
150 okay.
We already have 2.
Different.
This and something like and this one.
Something like that.
Yeah, we got 4.
You look at my ring. I didn't buy my earring, buy my ring.
Okay, one for me. Money, good try. Good try.
It's okay.
100 okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
100 how many money? People money, you how much? Another day. The only one, 100.
Okay. Wait lang guys ha. Charis, nag-negotiate ng babae. Nag-sell ng Kemech. Puro galing kami sa village nila yesterday.
Are you see my ring?
Yeah. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's okay.
Why 100 money?
What? We have 3. We already have 4 of these bracelets.
LDP, one more for me. Money early. I saw
Wow.
It's
okay.
Try morning.
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Money, you how much for me? I
If I
don't
make
give
it
you.
again, I will give you one.
Oh, we have that yesterday.
No, you have nothing sugar.
What?
Hindi na ba may iwi ba may nothing sugar? Hindi na dito ba?
Bibenta nila ako ng Kemi. Wait lang. Let me show you guys what they sell.
Kaya na.
Yung mga Kemi.
Yeah.
Kemi and then like
Okay, you
Stuff.
how much?
they look like a fucking foreigner to them. We got this yesterday from souvenir from the tour. Bibenta nilang babae. Oh my gosh. Dito ako sa ano?
Okay, money.
Sapa,
100, okay.
Vietnam.
Okay.
It's okay.
Money cheaper.
Okay, for me mo.
We have this yesterday. We went on a tour. Thank you.
Okay, one kesa de tinta di kochi lagi.
It's okay. Thank you so much. We went to your village yesterday.
And not for me. Different.
It's the thing.
My bad.
Yeah, different. Only 100.
End of trip. They're too late kasi bumili na ako yesterday. We already bought.
Nothing.
Iba my hamburger?
Different.
Hamburger?
Thank you guys. Masarap ba yung food sa Vietnam? As a Filipino, oo. Pero medyo hindi sila masalty mag-make ng drinks. I mean, the food. Hindi siya masalty.
Yeah, this is.
It's okay. We bought one. Parang,
Today one more for me. Pick a money. You how much for me? I know.
it's okay. Coffee. Ooh, what coffee is that, babe? This is coconut coffee. I didn't try the egg cause parang it's no. I don't want to get salmonella early in the morning. Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
It's a beautiful.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Erika. Erika di so ay 9:13. I'm gonna go in a bit. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. In fairness kay ate, sobrang face card siya.
Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
for one. One for 80, okay.
We already bought
80
yesterday.
for 150.
We bought yesterday.
Today one more for me. Money.
One
and now
more?
Very sad.
We have a lot.
3 for 150. 3 for 150.
It's okay. Thank you.
Cheaper. Okay, 3 for 100.
They're so nice. Parang mas mabait ako kasi binibilhan ko lahat. Carry lang.
My friend, okay.
Yes.
3 for 150.
It's okay.
3
Thank
piece,
you.
150.
Pinangalan ko sa iyo yung pusa. Maraming salamat. Which pusa? Wow. Oh my God. Naunahan pa na yung di pusa. Carry lang.
Okay, 3 for 150.
It's okay.
80,
Thank you.
okay. My friend, 3 at 150.
They're selling me this scam. But we already bought like yesterday. So, it's too late. Kasi pumunta kami sa village nila. So, you know. It's okay. Thank you so
3 for 150. Money early, money I know today very sad. Today money today I saw nothing. Really cheap. A cheap piece 150.
It's okay, thank
Buy two,
you.
150. Buy one, 80.
It's okay, thank you.
80, okay.
It's okay, thank you so much.
80, how many? Money.
It's okay.
80 for one.
We already bought yesterday.
Manap
Because we went to
kami.
their village. Binibenta lang ko ni Ate Marls. I'm watching the brand right now. Yung guest kayo, dalawa ni Ver. Oh my God, that's so much fun. Thank you. First kay ate, ang ganda niya. Gorgeous siya, gorgeous. Pero yun na hard sell niya. Oh, era, bumili na ako kahapon. I'm gonna go in a bit.
Hey. Okay, 150. 150. Cheap. Early morning, I saw cheap for you.
But we have 4.
Yeah, different. Maybe something good. Okay. Or something this one.
Yeah, and we bought the shirt.
The Habern. For you hats. From the you hats.
Napakaganda.
This one I do handmade.
Oo nga, di ko tinitigilan. TV. Baka lang para makakompleto ko na dito yung souvenirs. I swear to God.
This one. For you, you have long hair.
It's okay, thank
Okay,
you.
give you brave one. This one? I'll show you this one. I'll show you.
Pinabenta ko ng ate. Kaya lang.
This one, my friend.
It's okay, thank
For
you.
your girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
Yeah, girlfriend and sister, then
Girlfriend daw, bitch. Do I look like a fucking...
I do handmade. Okay.
Thank
You
you.
try more.
It's okay.
You try for you.
It's okay, thank you.
Okay. Only one more for me. Morning, morning I saw Chichi. I good day.
Wow.
So
Wow.
today morning early, you how much? And now good day I saw Chichi for you.
I don't
Really
have...
good price. Really cheap for you.
I'm sorry, I don't have any cash right now.
Money, Thailand.
Hmm?
Money Thailand. Money the Thailand.
Sa akin daw yung
This
pinagbibili mo.
You listen. I have many things.
Madami siyang keme.
This
Oh
one?
my God, alis na nga.
Okay, this one.
Magti-10 na pala siya.
My friend, okay?
O, si ate di talaga
This
tibig.
one, okay.
Nagsasal siya ng...
This one.
Majority ba? It's okay, thank you. I
This
bought
one
like a shirt.
beautiful.
It's okay, thank you.
Yeah, buy one.
Hindi ko kaya. Right? Good morning, love. Andito ako yun. Madami din sila
Okay,
dito.
I'll show you. 50 each. 50, okay. Morning.
They're trying to
300.
sell me stuff.
Because morning I saw Chichi.
Ayaw talaga nilang tigilan ng babae, no? Carry lang. My friend bought this yesterday.
Yeah, 50 okay lah. 50 okay.
Madami silang binibenta sa babae. Diba? Ayaw tigilan ng babae. Carry lang. I'm so nice for that.
Yeah, 50 each. 50.
I'm gonna go in a bit though, cause inaantay ako ng bus na. Hindi naman inaantay, but like,
Eh,
they're gonna pass by.
isa.
They also have this locker. A package.
The
So, live selling ako dito. They also have like coin. Na parang keme.
okay, only buy one. 100. 2 piece one.
100.
Yeah, for 2.
Hindi natitigil ang babae, carry lang.
This
It's cute.
for you, not the this one for you. Beautiful.
Ibentahan ako ng babae. Meron akong gusto dun sa isang village na parang straight. Parang ganito lang siya na line. Tapos parang necklace yun na
This one
ganito.
for girlfriend.
She's not informed of, bakla ang babae, carry lang. boyfriend daw. We bought this yesterday.
Different, not same. Different handmade.
My friend's girlfriend bought this yesterday. Bakit? Wait lang, may gwapo.
This is for girlfriend naman.
Life update, wrong live selling. Correct. TV, pag ako nag-live selling dito, may 10% ako dito ah. Shit. Pero ang sarap ng ano, dried coconut candy.
Okay. Okay. 50. 2 for 100.
Giving 2 for 100
Yeah.
there.
2 piece.
100 dong is like 200 pesos in the Philippines. I honestly want to buy more. I'm not gonna lie. Ibigay ko sa daughters ko, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they're gonna live up for it. But I like this one. I like mine.
This one eh. You. Hey. This one.
Oh. Oh, this is really cute though.
This. Okay.
Is it silver?
Yes. Wash it really shiny.
Merong ganito kahapon na para nakagani L sa neck. And it was so cute. How much is this?
I told you 150.
Ay, 50 is
Yeah.
50.
50 this one This one 50.
What about this?
This one brown here finish. This one different.
I like this one though. Parang Slater siya too.
Oh, you like bigger one?
Haba na pasensya mo kung yan, di ko kaya. Alis na ako. I don't really give a fuck, my love.
Bigger.
They just wanna eat, honestly. So I'm not really mad that they're hard selling shit sa akin.
Bigger.
But it's time to you. Okay, look at it. Right. Diba, mapasensya talagang babae. Imagine having a boyfriend. Imagine yung patience ko sa jowa ko, bitch, before I fucking pop off, ate.
Only one or two?
It's okay, thank you so much.
Okay, how much? How much?
Fuck.
How much? You tell me, I tell you. Good for you, good for me.
Can I get this for 50?
100. 100 helping me. Sometimes I saw 200 and now I saw you 100.
Binibenta niya ako. Ako naman mag-ano sa kanya. Change. Keme. Mind game. Keme. This one? For 50.
100, you and me and my friend, I saw cheap.
What?
You and me and my friend, I saw very cheap.
Binibenta niya ba? Pero bet ko to. Bet ko to. I'm not gonna lie. It's cute to
You
me.
buy two, I can little bit. Buy two. You buy two, I can.
Only one.
You want one. Buy two, 150. 150
this
for
one.
two. Different, this one 100.
This 100
This
though.
one same, this one.
But I don't have the cash now. Maybe, i-credit card ko sa kanya. Hello, saan itong gwapong ko? Hello guys. Asaya dito kasi parang naka-appreciate nila yung ganda ng babae. Like, everybody's like breaking their necks. Like, yeah, it's just me. Philippines represent, you know. 50, I'll get this for you. Is that okay?
100, this one.
100.
This one 50, and I think this one 50.
What about this?
This one 150. I can for you 100.
80.
100 helping me. I saw really cheap. You know, Erie?
I think this one.
I said 150. I can have 100. Sometimes I saw
100.
200. A small one 150.
How do you put this?
Yes.
Atake siya, Divine. In fairness naman kay ate, give safeguard siya. Give niya, Divine intervention.
See, beautiful there.
It's good to me.
See?
Right. Cute.
Really
That'll be all. Actually, nang hinahanap ko to kahapon. I can't find it kahapon, yung ganito. So, is this. Ang init na parang. Nalusaw na yung sunblock ko sa totoong buhay lang. Wait lang, bayaran ko muna yung ate. Pag ito binigyan ko ng sobra, mababali ito siya. But the question is, meron ka. Sobra. At mag-withdraw.
又是这么窄了呢。
Thế một người.
哦，
Đấy tôi chỉ một người.
这么窄。
Ôi giờ vô nó rồi lại thôi.
I don't have enough, I'm sorry.
Change money.
I'm gonna pay that.
Then change money. $500 change.
No, I'm gonna use that later.
Huh?
I'm gonna use it later. To pay.
Let's pay.
To pay the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me check.
We try this one.
Let me check. I don't have.
Cái là chip cổ rồi của bạn rồi, thì đánh ngỏ rồi. Chị để em
Wala ko 100.
chỉ chọc cô. Nó chỉ cả chị để một cái khách sạn à. 500 change. Only 70.
No, I'm gonna pay. I gotta use it for the hotel. I don't have 100. I only have.
Okay là, it's okay là.
I only have 70. Is that okay?
Okay, it's okay. Okay for all.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Cả tôi hay đi của.
That's all I
Nhà
have.
tôi chỉ muốn đặt cho tôi để chip cổ là khả năng được khá chỉ cả phòng.
Oo, wala akong 100 ate.
Thank you,
Sorry.
Là okay là.
Thank you.
Làm được ha, ở tại cái chip
Wala akong 100 ha. Accept niya na yung ano ko. 70,000. Magkano bayad ko? 76. I got it for 76. I always say, wala, I don't, this is all I have. And they get it, I guess. I really wanted this kahapon, pero di ko siya mahanap. And it's silver, so, you know. Love the headphones. What kind are they? Nakita ko lang to sa Shopee. It has silver kasi. Not the best quality though, but it's so cheap. But it's so chic. Girl, ang tsaka ng buko daw. What the fuck? Pero nag-fade na yung keme. It's a silver. Because I feel like mas silver ako na, mas maganda yung silver on me. I'm not sure, honestly. Pero cute lang kasi may silver siya dito. That's the only selling point na nakita ko. Because it had silver. That's about it. Shopee. I forgot the brand. Parang letter S. Slice. Something like that. Yeah, they look great. Silver today. Yeah. Pero yung accessories ko is gold kasi binigyan ako ng mom ko. After na wala ko yung ring ko na gold. Pero I didn't buy for myself na kasi parang tanga-tanga si bakla. So, lahat ng mga gold na accessories ko is from my mom. Guys, shit, I think I have to book, guys, so I gotta go. Guys, I gotta go. I'll see you sa Hanoi This is my last few minutes here. Ang ganda naman ng necklace. Anyways, I gotta go. Bye!